Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to figure out which application or process is connected to a particular queue. You can create and deploy applications to your broker. If you use proper naming conventions and application naming conventions, you can guess which application is connected to which queue. You can maintain an Excel file of all your applications, all your source queues, and all your destinations. Or you can search your code base using Notepad++. See sample on screen. What if you are supporting a production activity? I will show you how you can use command line options to figure out the number of connected applications to a queue. Observe the property called ipproc with value 1. This indicates one process is connected to the queue retry.in and it is reading messages of it. Observe the property called opprocs with value 1. This indicates one process is connected to the queue retry.scheduled.in and is writing messages to that queue. You can use MQ Explorer to view the processes that are attached to a queue. See on screen how a data flow engine process with ID 6416 is connected to the queue retry.in. Using the process ID 6416, you can use Process Explorer tool from sysinternals to figure out the default execution group. You can figure out that the default execution group from node test node underscore Vishnu broker is connected to the queue retry.in. Process Explorer application is required only on home edition of Windows operating system. On Windows Professional operating system, command line arguments of an executable are shown in Task Manager. See screen for my home edition Task Manager view. If you are using a Unix style operating system, then use ps-ef command for the association of a process ID to execution group. See on screen where process ID 663 maps to integration server with name my server. Let me know in comments if you know how to figure out the name of an application within an integration server that is connected to a queue.